Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Telegram with email address. So if you also want to log into Telegram with email address, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Telegram application. You can see over here Telegram is opened. Here you'll be able to find the option for start messaging. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter your phone number. So in order to log into your account, you'll have to enter your phone number. You cannot log into your account with your email address, but you can use your email address whenever you're trying to recover your account. All you have to do is select your country code first. You can see several countries over here. Simply tap on your country. Now enter your phone number. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. You'll be led to this interface if you have enabled the two-step verification. Over here you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here a recovery code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open your Gmail application. You can see over here Telegram has sent you an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the recovery code. Memorize the recovery code. Go back to Telegram application. Now enter the recovery code. Now you can see over here you'll be able to set a new password from here. You can skip it for now. Simply tap on the skip option that you can see right over here. Now your two-step verification will be successfully deactivated. Tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Telegram with email address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.